don't mind my nails throughout this whole video because it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your first time here. Welcome. I hope that you love all the content that I provide. And today, I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieved this amazing braid out look. And if you just want to see how I did this, just keep watching. Okay, so my hair has been freshly deep conditioned. I do a deep condition once a week. And for this week, I've decided to do a flat braid out. And the products I'll be using for the flat braid out is the Miel Organics Twisting Souffle. I'll be using the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. And I will also be using the Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse by Design Essentials. And I will dive right in. So I've completely detangled my hair and parted it off for my first braiding section. So I'm about to just go in with the twisting souffle first. So after adding the twisting souffle, I'm just gonna go in with the curl control gel. I'm going to go in with the mousse. I try to get as close to the root as possible when it comes to braiding. So I get my 3 sections as close to the root as possible and take it under right there and then bring the front piece over again. So take the back piece, bring it over the middle piece, and then take the front piece and put it over the middle piece too. So this is the look that I have after I'm done braiding my hair. This took like probably 35 minutes to finish, and I will give y'all a whole 360 of my hair. Okay, so I'll come back whenever these are dry. So these braids have been in my hair for the past 4 days now. I'm just gonna go ahead and take them down just using this argan oil that I got off. my hair. And the way that I do that is literally just kind of like as if you're scratching your hair. I go back in and do this and like lift it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and go in and do my edges. And this is the look that I have. What I do with my clicker?